Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can optimize your local SEO if you are a law firm. So let's hop onto the infographic and give you the tips as to how you can optimize your local rankings. So the first thing is obviously you need to have your Google business profile page and you need to keep on optimizing it. And as you optimize this, Google is going to start ranking you in the Google Map pack as well. First thing you want to do is to claim and verify your listing. That's the most important bit. And then complete every field. So whatever it asks you, whether it is the working hours, your services, phone number, etc., fill everything up because it's really important and it is pretty easy as well. Add high quality photos. I cannot stress how important this is, and it is the most important reason and way to get rankings. Don't just upload your photos once, upload them regularly. So if you have an event at your office, upload photos. If you go to an event, upload them. Upload pictures of your office, your team members, group, team shots, etc. Upload them regularly. And then post updates and FAQs regularly as well. So if you have a blog and you're updating your blog page on a regular basis, put that same content over here. Not the same, but just say we uploaded the blog post today on ABC topic. So Google knows that you are creating content about your legal firm. The next thing is building your local citations and directories. So consistent NAP, this is crucial. So your name, address, and phone number must be the same across all these directories, whether it is Yelp, Yellow Pages, Law Society, or wherever you're uploading your details. Make sure it is the same phone number, same address. Target legal specific directories. There will be loads of them in your niche, so you can target them as well. Get listed on local chamber and city sites. So Chamber of Commerce is also one of the best ways to get dominant in your local searches, as Google will pay specific and more value for that backlinks from there. Audit and clean up existing citations. So make sure that everything is all correct. All the information, name, phone number, address, working hours, etc. is 100% accurate. Then the next thing is on-page SEO and website signals. It sounds scary and technical. It isn't. So create location-specific pages. So if you are based in a particular area where you offer your services, make pages for that. So if you're offering services to London, Manchester, Birmingham, Newcastle, then create a different page for each one of these areas, right? It's got to be specific. So the London will have London on it, Birmingham will have Birmingham. The content can be the same, just change the name of the area. Then you got to use the local keywords as well on them. So something like London family lawyer. You got to implement schema markup as well and ensure mobile friendly and fast loading. This is really important, your page load speed. And you can go to a free Google tool called the Page Speed Insight, and you can see how fast or how slow your website is. And I don't have to say how important mobile friendliness is, because most of your traffic on your website will be through your mobile phone. So make sure it's very easy to navigate, read the content, and all the buttons are nice and big. So when people are trying to click them, they can click it easily. And the last thing is to generate and manage reviews. Proactively request reviews. So don't bribe, don't give them any incentives to review. If there's a customer you have, just ask them for the honest review. and respond to all reviews, positive or negative. If it's a positive review, thank them. If it's a negative review, because not everybody, you will not make happy or everyone all the time. So if it's a negative one or not so good one, then address it professionally. So show them that you care and get things right the next time around, and that people will truly appreciate that. Showcase testimonials on your website. So as many testimonials or case studies you may have, put them on there. And this is how you're going to build a strong and solid reputation. So to dominate in your local area and to attract more customers and grow your practice, your local SEO is really important. You got to pay a lot of attention to it. It won't happen overnight, but as you keep on creating content, optimizing your Google business profile, is going to get your rankings higher and higher. So thank you for your time over here. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll truly appreciate if you can give it a little thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.